Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Temi, if you don't know me, and I make video on how to make money online. In this today video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr from 0 to 1,000 per month on Fiverr. This tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your gig on Fiverr and start making money. This gig that I'm going to be showing you, it has low competition and is highly demanding on Fiverr right now. So this tutorial that I'm going to be showing you is how you can basically drop ship your services. Just take order from Fiverr and go to this powerful website that I'm going to show you. Then you just put in the work there. This powerful AI is artificial intelligence. It's going to create all the things you need. And you don't need any skills. You don't even have to do all the work by yourself. Just copy this order. Once you receive that order, take it to this powerful website that I'm going to show you. It's going to do all the work for you. So it is very important for you to stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the website. So if you really get value from the video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. What that notification button does for you is that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching right now, you will be missing out. So guys, what is the purpose of me doing this video? The purpose of me doing this video is that so that you can watch, learn, implement it, do the exact same thing, and hope you can get the exact same results guys. So with that being said, now let's go to my screen now and let me show you how to do this. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do, just click in the link in the description below. Once you've done that, it will take you to this place, Fiverr home page. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a place where you sell your services. Like other people come to Fiverr to hire services, they are getting paid for it. So how did you do this? You do this by creating your own gig, basically what you know how to do most. So you put it right there and you start making some money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just drop ship your service and start making some money. You don't have to do any work. I'll be giving you the AI, the powerful bot AI that can be doing all this work for you. So you don't have to stress yourself. You don't need any skills at all. So once you've done that, if you haven't signed up on Fiverr, just sign up here and join here. So you fill all your necessary information and you log in. So let me just log in right here. Yeah, so in this video I'm just going to show you one particular gig that is very very hot right now, that is making a lot of money. So I wish is just typing right here. Yeah, Facebook ads. A lot of people out there, they want to make money online and they need someone who can create their banners for them on Facebook, for their ads on Facebook. So and they come to Fiverr and hire someone who can do this for them. You can see this guy right here. I will create and manage a Facebook ads campaign in your ads manager. He's doing it his own $20. I will do a Facebook ad campaign for leads, Shopify, whatever, $40. I will set up a real estate buyers lead campaign using a Facebook ads. So as you can see, this guy is selling this on $50. This one is 55. So let's just click this and see their premium plan. His premium plan is, you can see 100 guys, and you can see right here he has 166 reviews and he has 7 order in queues already. So how did you tap out of this great opportunity? So you need to create your own gig like this. Create your own gig and start selling it like this on Fiverr. If you don't know how to set up your account on Fiverr, I will leave a link also in that description. Just go and watch that video. It's going to guide you how you can sign up on Fiverr and set up your gig. So you can see this guy right here. Let's say standard times, I'm sure he has, let's say 120 orders right now, or let's just say 150 orders, because nobody can just give you review without giving them services. So all these reviews we are seeing right here, it come from services that this guy offer to those person. So 75 now times like 150, you know how much it is guys, and he has 7 order in queue already. So how did you do this guys? Just come right here. You don't need to come, just go to seller, switch to seller. You see this account right here. So just come right here. You see this gig, just click gigs, create a new gig. Yeah, just come to create a new gig. As you can see, just fill in all the necessary information. I will do a just come right here. You can just copy others, you can just copy all their information. So once you've done that, just come right here, fill in all the necessary information and publish your gig. I won't be doing that in this video because if you have already, the link I will be leaving in the description will guide you how to do all these things. So once you've done that and publish your gigs, so if you get any order, how do you go about this? So once you've published your gigs just like this, how do you go about this? If you get order, if anybody want to buy your services, so you just, what you need to do, just go to this website. The link will also be in the description. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Just click on the link in the description. It is very important for you to click that link. So once you've done that, you will end up on this this powerful, you see, website, AI powered ad creative. So what you just need to do, just come right here, generate you see, put in your name. Form is not valid here. You just need to hold on. So yeah, put in your full name, your email, your password, and confirm your password. Just sign up basically. Once you sign up, this app is paid, but you're gonna be using it for the 7-day free trial. Once you receive any order from any customers or any buyers on Fiverr, just come to this website, registered. I use it for 7 days. You have 7 days free trial before they're gonna charge you. After you finish that 7 days, they will charge you. So as you can see, this is the price. This is the price. For a starter, it's just $29. You can charge your services $20. Even $30, even $50. Guys, their premium is $59, and so on and so forth. So just basically select your own plan. But for a starter, I really recommend you start with this, or you can start with this also. Best seller right now, you can start with this. So you're gonna use it for 7 days. Then after 7 days, they will charge you. But if you don't want to continue to them, you can just cancel. You can cancel at any time. So what this powerful AI does for you is that you can see the video right here.
If you already struggle making creatives for your ads, or if your creatives are not bringing any results, give me 30 seconds. I have the perfect solution for you. Ad Creative AI allows you to generate conversion-focused ad creatives thanks to its unique machine learning model and the integrations it has with advertising platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Select your brand colors, upload your logo, and start generating result-bringing ad creatives in a matter of minutes. The perfect solution for any business. Visit adcreative.ai today. Give your business an unfair advantage.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, I don't really have much to say about this anymore. This guy said it all. So what you just need, the name of your brand, upload your logo, and just click generate ads. A lot of ads, guys. Once you've done that, just copy the ads, just send it to that person, and you are done. And that person is gonna pay you and give you a review. So once you get any review, you'll be ranking high. If you're just a new seller on Fiverr, once you get order from any buyers and you render their services, they are satisfied, they will be giving you a review. And once you are getting a review, Fiverr will now see that you are getting a review. They will now be ranking you high, just like this guy, just like all these people right here, and they're on the first row. So you can also get there. Once you are getting order, you are ranking high, they will be ranking you high. So anybody basically come to this website, click on your services. And once click on your services and buy from you, just go back here, put in their information, just generate the ads within 30 seconds. Everything is done. Just copy it and send it back to them. So that's how you do this, guys. That's how you can win. A lot of people are making thousands on Fiverr, as you can see. As you can see, people are really making money on Fiverr. Look at this guy right here now, 95, and you can see 739, 40 orders in the queue already, guys. So what are you waiting for? Just get in your gigs, put it right here and start selling it. You don't need to do anything, guys. Just once you get any order, just come back right here, go to this website, generate the ads, send it back to that person, and you get paid for it, guys. So that's how it works. If you really get value from this video, guys, don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button and that notification. What that notification bell does for you is that when I drop amazing video like this one on how to make money online, you won't be missing out. So what is the purpose of me doing this video? The purpose of me doing this video is that hoping you can do the exact same thing, guys, and get the exact same result. So guys, until I see you in my next video, keep winning, guys. Bye bye from here.